Number 15 for the ABCs of violin for the absolute beginner. I finally got it right. And number 15 is our jingle bells. We're dealing with our 5 notes, A, B, C, D, and then E. You can do it as a 4th finger, but right now we're just going to keep it as open E for right now. So let's say it, pluck it, play it. 1, 2, ready, say it. C, 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 E, A, B, C, rest, lift, D, 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 C, 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 B, B, C, B, E, C, 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 E, A, B, C, rest, lift, D, 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 C, 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 E, E, D, C, B, A, rest, rest. Okay, so what we need to be prepared for is first that string crossing where we're going from C to open E and then open to A. And so practicing that with plucking to get it in your head will really help, and then doing it with the bow really nice and slowly. So that section, and then also the second line where we have all of those D's in there. There's 5 D's. And so singing the lyrics along with it sometimes really helps. But thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We get in the habit of changing on that beat 1, but we're keeping it for 5, 4 plus 1 for that line 2. D, 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 C, 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 B, B, C. So watch out for that. You might want to feel like you can do a little bit extra of an accent there just so that you can get used to playing so many of them, and then back off on the accent so that it's not sticking out too much. And then at the last line, D, 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 C, 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 E, E, D, B, C. We can leave those fingers down on the A string as we go to that E string. C, D, 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 C, 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 E, E, D, B, A, or you can lift them all up and come back. So just take your time so that it's nice and clean. Lifting up all those fingers and putting them down can sometimes be really tricky. So let's pluck number 15. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 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 E, A, B, C, rest, then we lift. D, 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 C, 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 B, B, C, B, E, C, 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 E, A, B, C, rest, lift, D, 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 C, 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 E, E, D, B, A, rest, rest. All right, now let's use our bow. Set your fingers, 1, 2, 3, lift up. That third finger, 1, 2, beginning, go. Rest, go. Rest, go. Rest, rest. Awesome. Keep up the good work. Don't let your earrings caught in your violin.